As 11 municipal bodies go to polls on Sunday, there have been complaints about the violation of the Model Code of Conduct in the Mormugaon Taluka, which have been dealt with accordingly by the authorities concerned. Vasco Flying Squad for municipal elections seized around 520 saris allegedly meant to be distributed among female voters. The Flying Squad officials of Vasco area have seized around 520 saris in Gandhinagar locality, which were allegedly meant to lure voters as the Mormugaon Municipal Council goes to poll on Sunday. Speaking to media persons, Deepak Naik, Executive Magistrate and in charge of Flying Squad, explained about the seizure.
While receiving information from Deputy Collector, I, in the capacity of in charge of Flying Squad and District Magistrate, Executive Magistrate, immediately rushed to the site. By the time I reached here, there was a PCR already reached to the spot, and in front of them there were 2 bundles of cloth. Then I made some summary inquiry. Then they said they have a shop here and they stay somewhere here, and since last 15 years they are doing this cloth business. Then further I walked along with them. I saw the shop. I confirmed this is their shop. It was locked at that time. I got it open. Further I walked over the street, and along the route there were another 3 bundles. Means altogether there are 5 bundles. And as per them, each bundle contains 100 saris and dress material. Means altogether it is 500 numbers.
So under suspicion, what you will do now?
So I have discussed with Aro. He has asked me to file FIR. So now immediately, while receiving that direction, I have locked all this, taken all 3 keys in my possession, along with FIR and the keys I will be handing over to police now.
The State Election Commission has already declared all wards of the Mormugaon Municipal Council sensitive of hypersensitive on the backdrop of the quarrel between the 2 Nationalist Congress Party legislators over the civic polls. The Electoral Returning Officer of Mormugaon Civic Polls and Deputy Collector Levinson Martins has said that elaborate security arrangements have been made in all 19 wards of Mormugaon Municipal Council. Asked if any restrictions have been imposed on the Banauli MLA on visiting Vasco constituency, Mr. Martin said that no one could be restricted from visiting any place. He further added that he had sought report from Vasco police on the Tuesday night's incident. He said that a food grain godown had been seized in Shantinagar in view of the reports of suspected distribution of food grains to voters.
Nobody can be restricted, number one, nobody can be restricted. We have taken adequate measures to see that post-election also there is no such untoward incident. I had sought report from the police as well as from the Flying Squad, and I have submitted my report to the State Election Commission. But the police has taken adequate action on that. Near that Ekta, that engineering shop at Shantinagar, we had received complaint. The Flying Squad went there, and it was seen that a large quantity of wheat and rice bags, about 70 bags, were stacked in some room, which was a bit unusual for us on the eve of the elections. Although there was a order by the Civil Supply Inspector for that particular self-help group to lift it, that Gauri's Ganesh self-help group is supposed to lift it, but they have lifted this quota of September, that too on the eve of elections, and today and tomorrow being Saturday, Sunday, and there was no absolute need for all this huge quantity of rice and wheat.
In a related development, Deputy Collector of Bicholi organized a special meeting of the candidates contesting the municipal elections on Friday. He briefed them about the code of conduct to be followed by the candidates in view of the elections. Bicholi Mamladar Pramod Bhatt and Police Inspector Harish Madkaikar were also present at the meeting, called to brief the candidates about the security measures taken to conduct elections in a fair manner by the Deputy Collector of Bicholi, Narayan Gad. Speaking to Goa 365, Deputy Collector of Bicholi said that adequate security arrangements have been made to conduct free and fair elections.
आज हांवें सगळ्या कॅन्डिडेटांची मिटींग आफयल्ली, तांकां सगळ्यांक ब्रीफ केलें, एक्सप्लेन केलें की आयज 5 नंतर 5 उपरांत कसलोच जाहीर प्रचार करप ना. ताजे नंतर कलेक्टर नॉर्थान जी ऑर्डर इश्यू केल्या अंडर सेक्शन 144 ऑफ CRPC की 100 बुथापासून 100 मिटराच्या अंतरापर्यंत जी कमर्शियल इस्टॅब्लिशमेंट्स आसा, हॉटेल्स आसा, मागीर शॉप्स आसा, रिक्रिएशनल सेंटर्स आसा, ती सगळी बंद दवरपाचें इलेक्शना दिसा, दॅट इज ऑन 31st. ते सगळे तांकां आमच्या कॅन्डिडेटांक एक्सप्लेन केले. ताजे नंतर कावंटिंगा दिसा जी अरेंजमेंट केले म्युनिसिपल हॉलान, कावंटिंग म्युनिसिपल हॉलान जातले बिचोली म्युनिसिपालिटी, जी अरेंजमेंट केल्या ती तांकां सगळी वेवस्थीत ब्रीफ केली.